Deoxyribonucleic acid basically is DNA. So, what is DNA? DNA is a nucleic acid that contains the genetic instruction for all living things. For an example, it's um, it's very important for us as human beings. It's important for the stuff we eat. It's important for animals. It's important for everything. It's basically the base for everything. It's what makes us up and what helps our cells replicate. A macromolecule. A macromolecule contains a very large number of atoms, such as proteins or nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are biopolymers or large carbon biomolecules that are essential to all known forms of life. They are composed of monomers, which are nucleotides. Another thing that you need to know: a monomer. A monomer is a is a molecule that can be bonded to other identical molecules to form a larger uh, thing, which is called a polymer. Nucleotide. A nucleotide is a compound consisting of nucleotides linked to get to a phosphate group. Nucleotides form the basic structural unit of nucleic acids such as DNA. Phosphate. The sugar phosphate is basically the backbone that forms the structural framework of a nucleic acid, including DNA and RNA. The backbone is composed of alternating sugar and phosphate groups and defines directionally of directionality of the molecule. They are particularly important since they make up the building blocks of DNA and RNA. Important things to know that are inside the nitrogenous bases is adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. Adenine is a compound that is one of the four constituent bases of the nucleic acid. Purine is a derivative that it is paired with thymine in the double-stranded DNA. Guanine, a compound that occurs in guano and fish scales and is one of the four constituent bases of the nucleic acid. A purine derivative is paired with cytosine also in the double-stranded DNA. Cytosine is a compound found in living tissue as a constituent base of the nucleic acid is paired with guanine in a double-stranded DNA. Thymine is a base found in DNA but not RNA, and it is derived from pyrimidine, and which pairs with adenine, one of the four bases of the nucleotides that are found in DNA specifically. Thymine is paired with adenine in DNA and sequences and is replaced with uracil in RNA. Another thing that you should know, and as you see on my base model, is the double helix, which is made out of the footballs. The double helix is a pair of parallel helices intertwined about in a common axis, especially in the structure. It's found in the structure of the DNA molecule. Another, lastly, one important thing is the base pair. A base pair is a complementary basis in a double-stranded nucleic acid molecule, and it consists of purine and one of the strands linked by the hydrogen bonds to a pyramid, and the other cytosine always pairs with guanine, and adenine always pairs with thymine. In DNA or in RNA, it's uracil. So basically, as you notice on my base model, I'm using different things that are very important to life, such as baseballs, soccer balls, footballs, basketballs, and Cheerios for the cholesterol. This concludes my presentation. Thank you.